Assalamu alaikum everyone. I'm your teacher Miss Sitwat. I hope you all are fine. Now from today we are starting our new lesson. The name of the new lesson is Books of Allah. And from this lesson today we will do question number 1. And the question number 1 is, how many surahs are there in the Holy Quran? And the answer is, you will repeat the answer with me or after me. There are 114 surahs in the Holy Quran. Repeat it. There are 114 surahs in the Holy Quran. Now homework, you have to learn and revise question answers at home. Do good care of yourself. Allah Hafiz. See you next week.